Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do a quick video on how to make your own sound booth. So let's get started. So here I just found some things around the house. A box. That's not too big. We need some tape, some scissors, and I also found these eggshell sponges. I can't remember exactly where I got them from, but they've just been lying around the house for the last couple of years, so I figured this would be perfect. So the first thing we're going to do is tape the flaps of the boxes. I went ahead and did that already with here, so I just taped these two here together and these two together. And then the bottom flap, I'm going to fold that in and take piece of tape just to flatten that. I don't want to cut it off just yet because I'm not sure if I'll need to have that flap later on. So for now, I'm going to just fold it inward. And we have that secured there. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. Okay. So next, I'm going to take one of the eggshells. It's just slightly bigger than the height of the box, but I'm going to push it in so that it can remain snug. Okay, so I'm just going to gently push it in all the way back, and because I have two of these sponges, I'm going to just use both as double padding. So like that, and I want to leave this end butt up against here and this one here. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So the purpose of the box really is just to hold the eggshell in place in a curved position. That way I don't have to create any other backing, okay? And that looks good. It's nice and snug. It doesn't fall out. So here's a finished sound booth. I've just placed it on top of a taller box to get the correct height, but it's very versatile in that if I need it just on top of a table or somewhere higher, I can easily move it from place to place. So I'm going to position the microphone directly in front of it, and it fits perfectly. Testing the Rode NT1 microphone with DIY sound booth. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Testing the Rode NT1 microphone without DIY sound booth. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So there you have it, guys, my DIY sound booth. If you'd like to see more DIY and review videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.